Creamy chicken broccoli casserole. Tender chicken and broccoli and baked in a creamy garlic parmesan sauce. This one-pan meal makes a delicious low-carb, keto-friendly dinner in under 30 minutes. Hi, there. This is Natalia from Mom's Dish. I love homemade meals that require simple ingredients. I can wait for you to try this recipe. We love serving it with my. In the summertime, it pairs perfectly with. It's so good. Delicious and low-carb keto-friendly. Are you on a low-carb diet and getting sick of the same old? This dish is completely diet-friendly, yet feels so decadent. Keep it in your back pocket for when you are craving something naughty. How to make creamy broccoli with cheese. Preheat a skillet with oil, brown chicken until it's golden. Cut broccoli into equal-sized pieces, add them to the chicken. Combine cream with Parmesan cheese and parsley garlic salt. Pour the mixture over the broccoli pieces. Bake at 350 for 10 minutes. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top and bake for 7 more minutes. Serve right away while the cheese is all melted. Making creamy broccoli and cheese casserole in advance. Prepare the chicken, broccoli and cheese casserole up until you are supposed to pop it in the oven. Cover the casserole with foil and store in the refrigerator for up to a day. When you are ready to eat, pop it in the oven according to instructions. Storing leftovers. Store your casserole in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can reheat it in the microwave, but if you want it to get crispy again, reheat it in the oven for a few minutes. Casserole variations. What I love about this dish is just how versatile it is. Try out the follow variations when you want to switch things up. Add rice. Looking for a heartier side dish? Add a couple of cups of cooked white or brown rice to the casserole to make it more filling. Add a dash of smoked paprika. Smoked paprika adds a wonderfully earthly flavor to cheese sauces. If you have some lying around, add a tablespoon to the cream, Parmesan and parsley salt mixture. Top with buttered crumbs or fried onions. If you want a bit of crunch at the top, add a hefty serving of buttered crumbs or fried onions on top. Who said you have to wait for Thanksgiving?